Today we're going to make another type of mooncake called Snow Skin Mooncake. Snow Skin Mooncake is actually made from rice instead of wheat flour. Sometimes it's also made of glutinous rice flour and some starches. So it's actually gluten-free. The outer skin or the outer layer of the mooncake is something like ondeh-ondeh or mochi. Because ondeh-ondeh and mochi, they are made of glutinous rice flour, and the flour that we're going to use is the cooked type. Let's go and see how we can make this easy peasy mooncake without actually baking. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my videos useful. Here are the ingredients for the Snow Skin Mooncake. 200 grams of cooked glutinous rice, 85 grams of castor sugar, 60 grams of vegetable shortening, which is cold and I've already cut it to small pieces, 200 ml of cool boiled water, 90 grams of melon seeds, which I have dry toasted, some colors and essence or flavoring of your choice, shop bought lotus paste, and also shop bought red bean paste or azuki beans. I also have with me some coconut filling which I've cooked previously, mung beans filling which I've done previously. Now we're going to mix the sugar and the flour together. Mix it up properly. Then we add in the shortening. So now we're going to mix it up. So we rub it until it's like fine breadcrumbs so that it's incorporated. And then we add in the water. It should be around 200, but it may be more or less than 200, depending on how dry the flour is. So you got to keep an eye, a lookout. So now it's like a bit clumpy, so we press it all together. So it should all come together. And we're going to color it. So I'll take about a half, slightly less than a half, to get to the white color. I'm going to put some vanilla essence, a few drops. I will divide this into 3 portions, roughly. And I'll color each portion a different color. I'll color pink with gel color. You can use organic color if you want, but I'm just using gel for the moment. So I'm doing this for blue as well. I'm going to have it like shades so that it can look like it's a brush shade. So we have our colors, so I'm going to set it aside for it to rest. Now we're going to do the salted duck eggs. This is the egg yolk. This is the one I made myself. This chicken eggs is nicer. Now I'm rinsing the egg yolks in water. The easiest way to remove the white is to stick it to a tissue paper and it will come out. See? Drizzle a few drops of sesame oil on the yolks and coat it. Put it on a grease-proof paper or baking parchment and bake it for 6 minutes. Here are the yolks after 6 minutes. It's frothed up a bit. Let it cool and we'll cut it. In the meantime, divide the dough into 20 grams each and roll into balls. Once cool, cut the duck yolks into 4 and the chicken yolks into 2 pieces. Then roll or press them into little balls. Okay, that's it. For the lotus paste, we're going to add in the melon seeds. I've toasted the melon seeds, so we just incorporated it inside. I'm adding some pine nuts to the azuki beans, just to have a bit of difference, because I want to make this a whole center, and then part of it will be together with the lotus paste instead of the salted egg yolk. For the one with the lotus paste and egg yolk, I'm going to put the egg yolk inside the lotus paste, so I'm going to make a little dent inside here. Yeah, and then I'll take a piece of the rolled egg yolk that we did earlier. Make sure it's in the center. Yeah, and then we close it up without any gaps, okay? So this will be the lotus paste with egg yolk, and then we do the rest the same. And this bigger one, which is about 30 grams, is the one without the egg yolk. So the total filling is 30 grams. So this is about 25 plus about 5 grams of the egg yolks. I'm doing the same for the azuki beans, about 25 grams. And I put an egg yolk here. This is quite big actually, the egg yolk. It's the dark egg yolks. So these are the ones with egg yolks. We're gonna roll this out. Okay, and I'm going to fold it down. Bring it together. You might need to twist some of it off. Okay, make sure they're smooth. Okay, and then we roll it in the flour. Put it in here. And slowly we press it down a bit. Then we hold it up. Yes, this is a rose. Very nice rose. Ta-da! Coconut egg yolk. Rainbow color coconut and egg yolk. Mung beans. Here are the finished results, and this is a plate of little tiny mooncakes. They are actually very small, it's 50 grams. Here is the lovely ones that I made. So I've arranged it into a longish thing like that, so it's very nicely decorated. So it's pretty, isn't it? Too pretty to eat. I'm going to try it. Let's see. Lotus paste and egg yolk. And this is the one which is a mung bean. It's very easy to make. There's no steaming. For the skin, I didn't put a lot of sugar, so it's not so sweet. But the lotus paste itself is quite sweet, so it balances up and it's nice. This is the lotus paste with egg yolk. It's good. The sweet lotus paste and the salted egg yolk goes well together. The flavoring for the skin is I put vanilla. Okay, this is azuki beans with salted egg yolks. I like this. I thought I don't really like azuki beans, you know, or red beans we call it, but it really goes well with the egg yolk. It's sweet, and then the egg yolk is slightly salty, not too sweet. These are all my homemade salted egg yolks. And furthermore, I use rose essence, and the rose essence actually blends well with the azuki and the salted egg yolks. I usually don't like mooncake that much, but this is really nice. Now let's cut this and see. Let's see what's inside. Oh, coconut and egg yolk. I've never heard of coconut and egg yolk, but I'm going to try it. It's a bit interesting. I've used cardamom for the coconut filling, and the outside skin is actually pandan. So pandan and coconut is actually ondeh-ondeh. The salted egg yolks is like the ondeh-ondeh outer skin that is coated with coconut, but with a sprinkle of salt, which is what we do. So it actually tastes like the real ondeh-ondeh, but it's slightly richer because of the egg yolk. For the dragon balls, I didn't put any egg yolk because it's salty enough. It's got a very strong fried shallot smell, and it's actually quite savory, and it actually tastes quite nice if you like mung beans and a bit of like a salted caramel taste. So there you go, my easy peasy snow skin mooncake, which you don't even have to cook, you don't even have to bake, you just mix it all together and assemble them. So I hope you enjoy this particular mooncake recipe. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and it's a place where I share my love of cooking. So until the next time, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And of course, I'll appreciate any share. So till the next time, happy Mid-Autumn Festival, which is about a week from now, and have a joyous one and have a good family reunion. Until the next time, bye, see you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.